When your data is getting bigger and bigger, then you need the powerful pivot table grouping tool. In this lesson, we're going to use it on a super long table. So let's pivot. Let's take a look at this powerful pivot table tool. To demonstrate this, we have some data over on the left with our office's order dates and sales amounts. And from this, I've gone in and created a pivot table to the right of us to work with. Now, something to notice about this pivot table is that we're going to have all of our dates there as our column headings, which is making our table super long. Let's say that we actually want to summarize this by quarter instead of by date here up at the top. What we can do is leverage the pivot table grouping tool. In order to access this tool, all you need to do first, click on your pivot table. And here I'm going to navigate over to one of the dates that we want to go in and update. And when we right click on the dates, we can navigate to the group option. And when we click on the group there are a few different things that we can look at here. We can unclick months and click on quarters in order to group it by quarters. The nice thing about some menu below here is that you can actually drill up or drill down as many layers as you'd like. So you can actually click on multiple different layers if you'd like, and you can unclick them to unselect them. And you can also specify at the top in the auto selection where you want your dates to start and end. So this is a powerful tool if you only want to look at, let's say, 1 year of your data or only a few months of your data. You can go in and cap at the ends where you want it to be cut off. In our case here, I'm going to leave both of those checked on the default settings and simply click on quarters here in order to summarize our data by quarters and click OK. And now when we do this, as you can see, we'll take our pivot table and shrink it down into the quarterly summary for each of our different row labels. A great use for this is if you have a large data set with tons of dates and you don't want this whole long pivot table. This is a great way to easily summarize the different date groupings.